Hello kids, so good day. Today we're going to take up identifies and writes equivalent ratios. So at the end of this lesson, you are expected to define ratios, write ratios in different ways, identify and write equivalent ratios, and determine if the given ratios are equal or equivalent. So what is a ratio? So when we say ratio, it is a comparison. Again, it is a comparison between two quantities. So, ginagamit natin ang colon, yung dalawang tuldok, or yung fraction form para isulat ang ratios. So, we read ratios as is to. Then, the order of the numbers in the ratio is important. Hindi siya pwedeng magkabali-baliktad. So, kung ano yung unang nabanggit, or kung ano yung unang nasa picture, yun dapat ang ating first term sa ating ratio. So, order is necessary in ratios. Example natin dyan, 7:15 is not equivalent to 15:7. So, magkaiba sila. Kaya, mahalaga sa ratio yung order of comparison. So, we have example here. So, as you can see, we have 4 pentagon and 3 hearts. So, the question is, what is the ratio of pentagon to heart? Since unang nabanggit ang pentagon before yung heart, so dapat ang sagot natin, kung ilan yung bilang ng pentagon, yun yung una nating isusulat bago yung bilang ng heart. So, the answer is 4:3. So, we have 4 pentagon and 3 hearts. So, to write it in colon, we have 4, dalawang tuldok, 3. Or pag sa fraction naman, 4 ang ating numerator. So, yung ating numerator, yan yung ating first term or yung unang binanggit. Then, 3 denominator, yan yung ating second term. Yan yung pangalawang binanggit. Okay? So, kapag ka ang tinatanong naman, example, what is the ratio of all shapes to pentagon? So, ilang shapes ba meron tayo? So, we have 7. Then, we have pentagon 4. So, the answer is 7:4. Or example, ang tanong, what is the ratio of heart to all shapes? So, the answer is 3:7. Kasi ang ratio ng heart natin is 3. Ang ratio ng lahat ng shape natin, or yung bilang ng lahat ng shape natin is 7. Kaya 3:7. Okay? So, let's have another example here. We have guitar and xylophone. So, what is the ratio of guitar to xylophone? That is 5:3. So, we write it in colon as 5:3, or in fraction, that is 5:3. So, again, first term or yung unang nabanggit, yun yung ginagawa nating numerator. Yung pangalawang nabanggit, yun yung ating denominator. So, we have here another example. Ratio of books to pencil. So, that is 3:7. So, mayroon tayo dyan, 3 books. Then, we have 7 pencils. So, 3:7, or in colon, that is 3:7. In fraction, 3:7. So, tandaan nyo kung paano sinusulat yung mga yan, ha? In colon and in fraction. We have another example. We have ratio of cats to butterflies. So, how many cats we have? So, we have 6. Then, we have 5 butterflies. So, that is 6:5. In colon, we write it as 6:5. In fraction, so, ayan, yung kung paano natin siya isinusulat. So, nagkakaintindihan tayo dyan. So, when we say ratio again, it is a comparison of 2 or more quantities. So, mahalaga yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng ating mga pinagko-compare. Kung ano yung unang nabanggit, yun yung una nating isusulat dapat. Hindi siya pwedeng magkabali-baliktad kasi iba na yung magiging meaning nun. So, the comparison of two quantities, set or object, is called ratio. Two ratios having the same or equal values are said to be equivalent ratios. So, punta naman tayo doon sa tinatawag nating equivalent ratio. Kapag yung ratio daw natin pinagkukumpara ay magkapareho, ang tawag doon ay equal or equivalent ratios. So we have problem here. During the enhanced community quarantine, Aling Gloria is preparing hygiene kits for her family's protection from COVID-19 whenever they go, either for work or to the market. She went to the grocery store to buy alcohol and face masks for the kids and noticed that there are 3 free disposable face masks when you buy medium-sized alcohol. Will she get 15 disposable face masks for free if she buys 5 pieces of medium-sized alcohol? So, what is us in this problem? So, ang tanong natin, will she get 15 disposable face masks for free if she buys 5 pieces of medium-sized alcohol? Okay. So, before we proceed with our lesson, let us describe what kind of mother is Aling Gloria. So, si Aling Gloria, lagi siyang ready, no? She always prepare hygiene kits for her family. So, kahit saan sila pumunta, it's on their works, on the market. So, kung saan man siya pumunta, lagi siyang merong nakaprepare na mga protection, katulad ng alcohol laban sa virus. So, ikaw, as a child, how will you protect your family from COVID-19? Paano ba natin matutulungan or paano ba natin mapoprotektahan yung ating pamilya laban sa COVID-19? So, simple lang. Follow the health protocols. Ano ba yon? Always wash your hands, wear face mask, and keep social distancing or stay at home para hindi tayo makasagap ng mga virus sa labas. Okay? Okay, so let us visualize using strategy 1. Let us illustrate our table. So itong problem natin ito, this is on your module. Ito yung ating problem na nasa module, okay? So we have here, kung mapapansin nyo dyan, meron tayong 1 medium size of alcohol at each medium size of alcohol, meron siyang kasamang 3 face mask kasi yan yung libre. So yung tinatanong kanina, will she get 15 disposable face mask for free if she buys 5 pieces of medium size alcohol? So the answer is yes. Kasi kung bibilangin natin, sa 5 alcohol na bibilhin natin, meron siya dyan total of 15 face mask. Okay? Or 1:3 is equal to 5:15. Tanda na, so kung bibili tayo ng isang alcohol, meron tayong 3 face mask. Kung bibili tayo ng 2 alcohol, meron tayong 6 face mask. Kung bibili tayo 3, meron tayong 9. Kung 4, meron tayong 12. So kung 5, meron tayong 15. So, nakita niyo yung solution dito sa gilid. 1:3 is equal to 5:15. Or, sa fraction naman, 1/3 is equal to 5/15. So, we have here table. So, alcohol, nakita niyo yung mga numbers of alcohol, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sa taas. Then, yung face mask natin, so, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So, multiples lang yung ating kinuha para makuha yung ating equivalent or equal ratios. So, we multiply or divide the ratio by one counting number to form equivalent ratio. So, paano naman natin makukuha yung equivalent ratio ng isang given ratios? Okay. So, example, we have, yung ating given kanina, 1:3. So, we multiply it by a counting number. So, ang ginamit natin dito ay 2. So, 1 times 2 equals 2, 3 times 2 equals 6. Or pwede rin naman natin siya i-multiply by 3. So, again yung numerator and denominator natin, minumultiply natin sa same number to get the equivalent or equal ratios. Then we have 1/3 times 4/4, that is 4/12, or 1/3 times 5/5, that is 5/15. So, meaning, 1/3, 2/6, and 3/9, 4/12, and 5/15 are equivalent or equal ratios. So, Ayan yung ating given numbers. By multiplying with the counting number, nakuha natin ang kanilang equivalent ratio. So, the ratio of alcohol to face mass is 1:3. Now, we have another strategy. Pwede rin natin gamitin itong ganitong paraan sa pagkuha ng ating equation using fraction form and column form. So, use cross multiplication if the product is the same, the ratios are equivalent or equal. So, para malaman natin kung yung given ratios are equivalent or equal, we can use cross multiplication. So, paano yan? So, multiply. So, 1 times 15, that is 15. Then, multiply 3 times 5, that is 15. So, ang sagot nila ay parehong 15 pag cross multiply natin, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, 1/3 and 5/15 are equal or equivalent ratios. Now, let's have another example. So, pwede rin naman natin siya kunin by multiplying the means, then the extremes. So, if the product is the same, the ratios are equivalent or equal. So, kanina, ang ginamit natin ay butterfly method or cross multiplication. So, ngayon naman, ang gagamitin natin para malaman kung ang given ratios is equal or equivalent, we're going to multiply the means and the extremes. So, ayan yung ating given ha, using column form. So, kanina, yung nauna, fraction form, yung ating cross multiplication. Ngayon naman, gamitin natin yung column form. Paano malaman kung equal or equivalent ratios tayo. So, multiply your means. So, yung mga number na nasa loob ng ratio, ang tawag natin dyan ay means. Okay? Yung second term, saka yung third term, yan yung minumultiply natin to get the answer. So, or ang tawag natin dyan, that is the means. So, 3 times 5, that is 15. Then next, multiply the extreme. So, yung ating first term, then yung ating last term or yung fourth term. Ang tawag natin dyan ay extremes. Yung mga number na nasa gilid. So, yan ang extreme. So, if we multiply it, that is 1 times 15, the answer is 15. So, again, ibig sabihin, itong given number natin ay equal or equivalent ratios. So let's have another example. Let us find the 3 multiples of the given ratio below to make equivalent ratios. So, we have, number 1, 2:3. So, kunin natin yung kanyang mga multiples, at least 3, para makakuha tayo ng kanyang equivalent ratios. So, we have 2:3, so we multiply it by a counting number 2. So, the equivalent ratio of 2:3 is 4:6. So, pag kinuha naman natin yung 2:3, then we multiply to a counting number of 5. Ang makukuha naman natin yung equivalent ratio ay 10:15. So, if we multiply the given ratio into counting number 9, so the ratio or the equivalent ratio that we can get is 18:27. So, ganun din sa ating number 2 example. So, class, ganun lang natin kinukuha yung equivalent ratios ng ating fraction. We just multiply the given fraction or the given ratio into a counting number. Or we also divide to their GCF. Pwede rin natin siyang i-divide sa kanilang greatest common factors para makuha natin ang kanilang equivalent ratios. So again class, ratio is a comparison of two quantities. And we use column form or we use colon to separate the two numbers in words. The order in ratios is important. So, kung ano yung unang quantity na nabanggit, doon sa statement or sa pangungusap, it must be the same order as they are written in symbol. In fraction, the first term is our numerator, then the second term is the denominator. So, doon naman sa ating equivalent ratio, we can multiply or divide our ratio by a counting number or by their GCF or yung tinatawag natin greatest common factors para malaman natin kung equal or equivalent yung given ratios natin. So, tanda na, yung counting numbers natin, hindi doon kasama ang 0. If a given ratio is a multiple of another ratio, then the ratios are equivalent. So, that's all, class. Thank you, and God bless you all.